What is up, YouTube? It's been a while, but we got a video coming at you today. Today, we're going to be building this Lego Speed Champion set number 76923 Lamborghini Lambo V12 Vision Gran Turismo. Say that about 10 times fast. Comes with 230 pieces. This is what it looks like. It looks kind of weird. If I'm being honest, it looks a little weird. So that's the back and all that stuff there. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into this build.
Inside of me, you better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets caused real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored. Loves the blood and gold, always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really listen until they feel the force of hard in. If you start shit, you be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. There's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. There's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
All right, YouTube, there we go. There is the finished product. You know, as I like to keep it clean with no stickers on there. This color combo here, that's not bad. This, whatever this green is and this blue there, not too bad there. little different. I struggle with some things when like putting the wrong piece somewhere else and then having to go find it, and then it's here and then it's not there. So again, this was Lego set number 76923, and it is the Lamborghini Lambo V12 Vision Gran Turismo. Like I said, it's a little strange looking, more futuristic. I'll probably never ever see one of these in my lifetime, but there it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.